Protecting our environment is more important now than ever. That is why natural gas utilities are leading the way with innovative and sustainable solutions to lower emissions and help customers conserve energy and lower their carbon footprint. In fact, since 2000, natural gas has helped to greatly reduce greenhouse gas emissions in North America. The natural gas industry invests heavily in research and development for system and end-use technology solutions. Gas utilities are on the forefront of providing environmentally responsible energy, such as renewable natural gas and carbon-neutral gas that's produced from landfill waste, farms, and wastewater facilities, which is being used to fuel homes, businesses, and even vehicles. Carbon emissions from electricity are produced when it's generated, and because most of our electricity is still generated from coal or natural gas, your carbon footprint from an all-electric home or business is actually higher than if you use natural gas directly. In fact, with natural gas, you get 91% of useful energy delivered to your home or business, compared with only 36% of useful energy delivered from the generation and distribution of electricity. Because of this, when you use natural gas for space heating, water heating, and cooking, you produce almost 50% fewer greenhouse gas emissions when compared to similar electronic appliances. The emissions saved from each home using natural gas is like planting more than 4 acres of trees or removing 3.5 cars from the road for a year. While more renewable sources of power, like wind and solar, are being added to the electric grid every day, they require reliable energy like natural gas to ensure homes and businesses have a continuous source of power. Natural gas is an essential part of the solution for achieving our low-carbon energy future and for continuing to provide safe, affordable, and reliable energy to families.